สวัสดีครับชื่อกำปองคือมิกกี้ดับสบายดีไหมสบายดีหรือเปล่า Friends, my good friends, THAILAND have released a new album, finally! It's called I'll Remember to Forget You, not to be confused with Shakira's song, Can't Remember to Forget You. And this song is called Shouting Eyes, love that name by the way. And I'm really channeling my Shouting Eyes music video outfit today. Friends, if you love THAILAND, subscribe and let's go! Whoa. Okay. Whoa. This almost sounds like the Stranger Things title song. Who is that? Why do I feel like someone's gonna get killed? Like, I don't trust this woman. Whoa. What? What? Why am I getting flashback to the White Pills music video? Like the like sexual scenes, right? Like, I don't trust this woman. Like, she's like two-faced and there's like lust going on in here. And I immediately think of like Queen because I know Tilly Birds loves Queen. And when I heard the teaser of this song and it's like, this is giving me Queen vibes. Oh, Sloth. I knew it was going to be the 7 deadly sins. As soon as I saw lust and it's like, there's going to be 7 deadly sins. What? It's like a horror movie. What? Bomb! I've never heard Milo sing like this. I was like, where did this come from? And like, look, Milo's just like, he's counting his money. Like, he's too rich. Pay. Wow. Come on, Billy. What? Why? I feel like Billy was gonna kill me, but this guy is. Whoa. Gluttony. Well, it's like a horror movie. Whoa. Oh, look how angry Milo looks. Damn, he's angry. Dance. Dance. Whoa! I love it when Third does this. It's like, I just know Third's in the zone. I know he's in the zone when he sings like this, and Billy's like he's like going crazy on the guitar. It's like Billy's possessed by the guitar. Look. Isn't that from a horror movie, The Shining or something? Saying you didn't mean it. I'm scared, guys. This is scary. Like, I'm the kind of person that watches Paranormal Activity where there's nothing scary that goes on and I'm scared of that. Hey friends, cup on crap. Thank you so much for watching Tillybirds with me. I love watching Tillybirds with you. And as usual, the comment section's yours. Tell me how much you love Tillybirds, because I know you do. And go and stream Tillybird's album, okay? If you don't, then I'll know. Okay, I'll know. But have a great weekend, friends. And that's what I always say. Make sure you keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. We're too far away. Cup on cup, lots again, cup. Bye.